Hindi, nandun siya. May special na ano yun. Kasi may ano siya eh. Danica, okay lang yan. Ayan o. Hindi, yan lang. Okay na yan. Okay na yan. Huwag mo na alisin. Hi, Danica. 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 Ang dal-dal kasi. Hi, Danica. Ano yung sabi niya?
So his class, I think, is red, but he might not be there because
Kailangan may zoom naman. Hi! Hi, Charlie! Hi! Hi, Miss Veggie!
he's wearing the yellow hat and he has a vegetable on his head. Did you see? So he's wearing, was it yellow, green? He's wearing green and then he has a yellow blazer hat and he has vegetable on his head. There he is.
Good! How are you? Ate Bossing. Did you know my friend? This is my friend Yvonne.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I'm very important. I can give you a hug. Yeah, I said hi to Mark.
Hey, how you doing? Hi, Danka! Nakatakip yung... Go in front.
Yeah, I see. We saw it after the tournament.
No, you change.
On the count of three, say how does your garden grow?
Kasi may nakaupo.
Saan si Chat? Nakuha na mo na sa Dan?
Ha?
Nakuha na mo na Parang okay yung purple.
Ang konti ng purple. niya si Nikan. Hindi ko sana pagpalitin ko eh. Mas dito siya.
I blew up. Got on the job, man.
Principal.
All right. Welcome to Pioneer, parents. Thank you so much for being here this morning. This is awesome. Our first graders are incredible kids, and they've been working really hard to practice for this performance for you. And it's not just a performance, it's a culmination of this school year, which wouldn't be possible without your partnership, without the hard work and dedication of the teachers, but most importantly, these incredible students. So can we give them a round of applause just to start? So Pioneer has a long tradition of putting on these performances, as do many of the schools in Brentwood. It is one of the things that we look forward to the most. And so with that said, I promise not to talk too long. I know they're ready, and I know you're not here to see me. But what I do want to say is, this is my 6th year at Pioneer. This is a culminating experience for me as well. I'm not saying that I'm leaving, but what I am saying is, kindergarten students who started my first year are 5th graders this year. And to watch that progression has been truly amazing, and I'm incredibly grateful to be the principal at Pioneer. So, thank you all. With that said, students, are you ready? We can't wait to hear you. Have a great show.